Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to make healthy sweet potatoes egg salad. Hope you like it. This salad can also be used as the filling for Inari tofu skin sushi. It tastes delicious and filling. Sweet potatoes are low in calories, healthy, and rich in fiber and vitamins, and eating them in moderation is good for your health. Ingredients: sweet potatoes, eggs, lettuce, Inari bean curd skin, salad dressing. Peel and slice sweet potatoes. Cutting sweet potatoes into thin slices not only shortens the cooking time and makes them easier to cook, but also preserves the nutrients and natural sweetness of the sweet potatoes. The steamed sweet potato tastes as sweet as honey and has a dense texture like fat. Every bite is a gentle gift from nature, which warms the heart and leaves an endless aftertaste. The sweet potatoes are steamed in the steamer. I steam them for about 20 minutes because they are relatively soft and easy to mash. Remember to add the eggs as well to save time. Hard-boiled egg, remove eggshell and set aside. I have shared before that I have tried many ways to peel eggs. The simplest way is to run a boiled egg over cold water, break the shell, and then use a spoon to dig inwards to peel the egg. You can try it too. Mash sweet potatoes and egg thoroughly. Using a fork to mash the steamed sweet potatoes is a simple and effective method. The warmth of the sweet potatoes meets the metal of the fork, and with a slight press, it turns into a dense mud, just like a delicate sand painting in autumn. It not only retains the natural flavor of the sweet potatoes, but also makes it easier to digest and absorb. This method is not only easy to operate, but also allows the sweetness and aroma of the sweet potatoes to be more evenly distributed, making it an ideal choice for making sweet potato mash. Tear lettuce into small pieces and mix everything together. Lettuce, this green leafy vegetable, has a crisp taste. It is not only rich in vitamins and minerals, but also a low-calorie healthy choice. It is light and nutritious, and is a good dish for people who pursue a healthy lifestyle. Adding a few leaves of lettuce to salads or sandwiches can not only add a touch of fresh flavor, but also inject vitality into the body. It is an indispensable green treasure in daily diet. Plate salad on lettuce and salad is ready to be served. It's made so easily like this. This salad is more delicious and healthier by embracing the original flavors of the ingredients. Mashed sweet potato salad brings together the sweetness of the earth and the freshness of vegetables. It is not only smooth and rich in layers, but also a nutritious dish that combines vitamins, minerals, and dietary fiber, adding a touch of warmth to a healthy life. Sliced cherry tomatoes can be used to decorate the sweet potato salad to make it more colorful and delicious. Cherry tomatoes, also known as small tomatoes, are a treasure trove of nutrients. They are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, as bright as rubies, and provide anti-aging protection for the body. They are low in calories and high in water, making them an ideal choice for losing weight and maintaining a healthy weight. In addition, the lycopene in cherry tomatoes is beneficial to heart health, making them a rare healthy fruit on the table. If you have tofu skin at home, you can also make sushi. The amount just given can make 3 full tofu skin sesses. Hope you like my recipe sharing. Do share out this delicious recipe with friends and family, yeah. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist, yeah. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. Sweet potatoes, a gift from the earth, are a gentle guardian for the elderly. They are rich in dietary fiber, like a careful gardener, protecting the elderly's digestive system and promoting intestinal health. The beta-carotene in sweet potatoes, converted into vitamin A, is the guardian of vision, keeping the elderly's world clear and bright. Its low-fat and high-potassium characteristics are like a wise man, maintaining the rhythm of the heart and the stability of blood pressure. The natural sweetness of sweet potatoes not only satisfies the taste buds, but is also a friendly partner for blood sugar control, adding points to the health of the elderly. In short, sweet potatoes, with their rich nutrition and mild characteristics, have become an indispensable healthy choice in the diet of the elderly. Eggs, the messenger of nutrition, are an almighty guardian for the elderly. The high-quality protein they provide is like a solid shield, supporting the elderly's increasingly fragile muscles and bones. The choline in eggs is a friend of the brain, helping memory and cognition, and adding bricks and tiles to the elderly's wisdom life. The vitamin D contained in eggs, like warm sunshine, promotes calcium absorption and protects the elderly's bone health. The antioxidants in eggs, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are the guardians of the eyes, escorting the elderly's vision. In short, eggs, with their comprehensive nutrition and easy digestibility, have become an indispensable health partner in the diet of the elderly. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.